So can you really make money listening to music? Because there are people on YouTube who claim that you can make hundreds if not thousands of dollars per month listening to music. Now, if it is true, based on my Spotify rap, I should be like really rich right now. Alright, jokes aside, in this video, we'll find out whether this side hustle is legitimate or whether it's a total waste of time. So make sure to hit that like button and watch till the end to see how much money you can realistically make listening to music, because who wouldn't love to do that? So let's jump into it. Now, based on my research, there are several platforms that claim that you can earn money by listening to music. However, it looks like only a few of them pay you actual cash and not just gift cards or crypto. And one of those platforms is Radioearn, which is the platform that we're going to be testing in today's video. Radioearn is a platform that lets users earn money by listening to music and radio stations. And while the concept sounds pretty simple and appealing, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it just sounds a little too good to be true. And so in today's video, we're going to test Radioearn for 7 days and see if this side hustle is even worth your time. And before we get started, let's talk about how exactly does Radioearn work, because actually it wasn't as straightforward as I thought it would be. And so I spent quite a bit of time researching this platform so that you don't have to. You're welcome. So if you guys could just hit that like button to show your support, I would highly appreciate it. So to earn money on Radioearn, you listen to internet radio stations on the platform, accumulating points for each minute that you tune in, which can be converted into cash or other rewards. There are technically other ways that you can earn money on Radioearn, such as surveys and offers. However, it seems like the primary way to make money is still by listening to radio stations. As you listen, you will accumulate points that can then be converted into US dollars. Now, based on my research, you earn about a quarter of a point for every 15 minutes of listening. And now, in case you're curious how the conversion works, you can see it on this chart right here. Also, follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends. Okay guys, so I happen to be filming this video during the New Year's resolution season, and this is perfect timing because I'm gonna get on a bike and do some cardio, and EDM music actually pumps me up. So this is perfect timing to test it and see how much we're able to make. So this is also where I really wish they had a phone app, because it would be so great if I could just connect my headphones to my phone and just get on the bike. But I'm probably just going to connect my headphones to my laptop and listen to music that way. And so after about roughly 40 minutes on the bike, I ended up making about half a point. And so now that we have these numbers, if you were to do a quick math, I feel like it's going to take a very, very long time, like way more than a month, for you to even make like $100, let alone like $1,000. And they will literally require you to run the music 24/7, which is not realistic for any of us, obviously. But I guess we'll keep trying. Now, to learn a little bit further about this platform, I decided to go to their FAQ section, which you can find on the left side. Okay, when can I pay out? Alright, so the grammar is already really concerning to me here. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind is that the points will be converted into USD on the first day of the following month. So if you're listening at the beginning of this month, it will be converted at the end of that month, versus if you're listening at the end of a specific month, it will be converted only a few days later. And apparently, after you request a payment, it can take up to 35 days to process, which is kind of a long time. And you can request a payout via bank transfer or gift cards or Bitcoin. Next is a question that I noticed comes up a lot in my comment section, is which countries is it available in? Okay, so good news for all of my international viewers. Apparently the service is available in pretty much every single country. And one of the things that I do like is that the minimum payout threshold is actually relatively low compared to some of the other platforms that I've seen, which is $5. And with that said, I spend the next few days listening to Radioearn in the background while doing daily things like working, eating, and relaxing. Let's talk about what are some of the main pros and cons in my opinion. I don't even know where to start this part. I feel like this has to be like the biggest plot twist on my channel. So I promise I'm not even trying to be dramatic or anything, but I literally filmed this entire section of the video talking about all the pros and cons of the app, all the things that I liked and all the things that I didn't like. And literally after a few days of running Radioearn in the background, I was at about 2.75 points, so almost 3 points. And then literally a few days later, I opened my laptop and logged on, and and all the points were gone. They literally disappeared from my dashboard. And so naturally, I went digging, looking for those points, and I went to the messages and saw that all the points were redeemed, except I have no idea what they meant by redeemed because they were nowhere to be found. So what I ended up doing was I ended up contacting support, wondering where all my points went. Maybe I missed something. I didn't know there was like an expiration on them or anything. And then guess what happened? The customer service email just bounced back saying it doesn't even exist.
What?
So pretty much all those hours that I spent listening to the music pretty much didn't mean anything, and apparently the customer service email listed on their website doesn't even exist. So as I said, this is literally the first time this ever happened on my channel. Usually I'm always able to to get to the cash out point and show you guys the realistic earnings. And I'm also definitely not the person who rushes to say that something is a scam or something doesn't work. However, this might finally be one of those websites where I really don't think it's worth your time. Even though there's literally no effort that goes into all of that, it doesn't really matter because apparently you can't even claim what you earned. Anyways, if you guys have ever tried Radioearn or something similar, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe there was something that I couldn't find on their website that talked about points expiring. But yeah, this pretty much, I guess, concludes our experiment. I don't know if I want to spend any more time on this platform. So I guess if you want to see more experiments that I've done in the past where I show the actual realistic earnings, which again, most of the time these experiments work, I'll include the playlist right here so you can check all of the times when I tried different side hustles that actually worked and showed you realistic earnings. I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!